Hey there, you're probably wondering why there haven't been any mech videos. Well, that is because I've been waiting on getting the shipment of tire chains, and there hasn't been much else to do, so now that I have them, these are not actually snowblower tire chains. I just looked up the size of the tire, which is a 514-4 or something like that. And apparently it's also the size of some ATV tires. So, got those chains on. I did some driving off camera, but you can't see any evidence of it because I've started scraping down an area to get, a little bit of extra traction and putting some salt down. While I was doing my test, I noticed something rather peculiar. We'll have to take a peek inside the cockpit to see. Now, this is the clutch, pretty much. What this does is engages the transmission on the snowblower, causing the mech to go forward and backwards. You put your foot on that, push it forward, mech starts to go forward. Now, there's a Bowden cable connecting that funny little elbow thingamabob all the way to here. This is a cable that the clutch pedal is connected to inside. And unfortunately, you follow it, it connects to this bit of PVC, which helps give the line some tension. And it goes all the way back here. Now what happens is that this line keeps moving sideways and, slipping off. So after a few times pressing the pedal, you can't go anywhere anymore. And I originally had this collar on and working, but, goofing around with the mech, kind of slamming it around, this 3D printed part broke. Now I'm going to be having to 3D print another collar, so that it latches onto this post or metal tubey handly thing, so that it stays in place. I might end up drilling a hole through this handle to add extra support, but we'll just see how it does pinching either side. You can see there was supposed to be another flange right here that a bolt held on to, but because I was a cheapskate and was running out of filament, I made it real thin. So just gotta print something new to put on there, and then should be all set for the test run. Well, filming a test run anyway, because, I want to make sure that everything works before I show it off on camera, unless it fails in a very spectacular manner. So, this is just a little update video letting everyone know that I wasn't abducted by the government or, just randomly decided to stop working on the giant robot. I still am. It's going to be up in the 40s for the next week or so. So it's going to be pretty warm. Maybe I'll be taking off the dust cover during that time, but I'll definitely be taking it off during the full systems test run, which hopefully I'll be filming tomorrow. So, if you enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.